Hi everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner number 247096, and I am here to show you my unboxing of the Kiwi Lane March 2023 Kiwi Club kit. The title of this kit is called Busy Bee. Here is the QR code, which will take you right to the digital idea book. And if you are a member, where you can find the digital idea book to download is in the creative partner section of the Kiwi community at kiwilane.com. Okay, so let's get started. I love the new box. That's the first thing I wanted to say. There's a new box and it's white now. I like it. I have not opened the box at all because I want to see it with y'all. Here it is. We also have a new sheet here. Info sheet. Has the templates that you should pair it with. Let me take this out of the package so there won't be so much glare. And I'll point out a few other things about the Kiwi Club kit that I like. First, it comes in its own bag. Yay! Second, they just dropped off, but the Kiwi Club kits come with these paper corners that you put on your paper. They put on their papers when they're mailing them, so pages won't crinkle or wrinkle or be destroyed. So first off is we have a new insert. This month's theme, it's Bee Wisdom, Family Moments, Everyday Play Moments. This shows the templates inside. Here is the idea book for inspiration. Here is the suggestion, the templates that they suggest you use with this, and I have the placemats, and I have that. Okay, I have everything. And some page ideas. Here's the cards and the paper. But I'm going to show you everything up close so you can see what everything looks like, okay? So let's start out with the papers. And I give you my own opinion of if I like it, if I don't like it, which side I like. So the first side is this pattern with bees, be humble, be happy, okay? I'm loving the bee theme. So yes, I like this side of the paper. But this is only side A. Let's go to side B. Side A. Mainly because it's a pattern. Here's another sheet. Has lots of dots, blue dots, yellow dots. They're layered dots. That's cute. Let's see side B and I'll tell you which one. Side B, mainly because dots make me a little dizzy. Nothing against the colors or anything. I mean, it's great for the kit because it coordinates with all the others, but I like this pattern. Really cool. Arrows. This is side A. It's almost like a red, white, and blue, so you could probably use this for a patriotic page too, but I would do this way because I always think that lines need to go up and down, not that way. Personal opinion, which I'm allowed to share. Ooh, this has like pattern it also. I like that side. I like this side better. Side B. This is pretty. Flowers with little bees. The flowers are blue and like a rusty red color and a darker blue. And there's the bees. Really cute. Like that flower right there. Really cute. This is side A. Side B. I'm going to go with side A. And luckily, I'm going to a crop this weekend for the first time in a very long time, so I think I'm going to bring this kit to work on it. If you're a member of my Facebook group, I'll probably post photos there. If not in my Facebook group, I'll definitely post them in the Kiwi Lane community underneath the Kiwi Club scrapbooking section. Here's some lines, very pretty, horizontal. Side B. I'm going to go side B. Another page, side A, flowers and little leaves. Side B, ooh, that's pretty. Now, Swiss dots, polka dots, little polka dots, I like those. So that's one page I like. Next one. See how I turned them sideways the other way? Side A. Side B. Ooh. Luckily, there's 2 sheets, so I can use one of each. So side A and side B for that one. This next one, there's also 2 sheets of this. So it's side A, side B. I'm going to use both of those also, one of each, so side A and B. So pretty much 50-50 for this kit so far. And here's the final 2 sheets, which are also the same. Side A, side B. My friends will know me because they know that I will choose the side B. I love the black color, the pattern in the paper. I just really like that. Okay, I'm going to do the templates next. See, there's the QR code again for you to open up on your computer or your phone. And you can find the digital idea book, download it, print it out, collect them, and then you'll have your own idea book, which is really cool. I'm going to make a mess of these. It's okay. So, the template set is called Be Sweet, and the measurements of this are just about 8 1/8 inches that wide. And because I'm doing it from the widest to the 4 1/2, so 8 1/4, 8 1/8 by 4 1/2, yeah, 4 1/2. Here is, well, wow, there's lots of these little pieces, aren't there? And I have a page that I want to use these for already. I'm recreating a page that I did earlier. All these little pieces have the numbers on them. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's six templates that are exactly the same. But when you do this, you can do it like that. It's like a puzzle. Okay? And all the templates have their number on it, the name of the template set now, and the number. So let's get these out of the way. Coming up to what I really want to see. This flower. I love the flower. I made a card a long time ago with a flower like this from a die. But now, I don't have the die anymore. But now I can make one because I have the flower. This is number 3 of 12 of Be Sweet. Yes, there are 12 templates in the set, but most of them are from that honeycomb. Number 4 of Be Sweet is the hive. Is that what that is? I'm not quite sure. The hive of Be Sweet. Really cute. This measures 3 3/4 by 3 1/4. Really cute. I'm going to leave that there for a minute because the next part of what I really wanted to see this kit is the little bees. I actually have a page that I was working on and I need a little embellishment. So I'm going to use these really cute little bees. And I'm going to work on that this weekend too. So those are the templates. Let's look at the cards. First card, it's a happy talent to know how to play. Side A, side B. Daughters are like flowers, they fill the world with beauty. Side A, side B. Be silly, be honest, and be kind. Side A, side B. Ooh, polka dots. Farm fresh honey. Side A, side B. Oh, this is a cute one. Advice from a honeybee. Buzz, work together, mind your own beeswax. That's really cute. Very cute. Oh, side B. Side A. Hive rules. Be kind, be honest, be respectful, be grateful, be positive, and believe in yourself. Oh, sorry, side B. Here's side A. Cute as can be. Side B. Oh, Oh, now I know why there are these little templates. See, you're the bee's knees. You can put them on that. Or you can put them in there. Very cute. Busy as a bee. You can call me Queen Bee. Okay, I'm using that for me. And then here are some little words also. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Oh, honey, you are beautiful. Don't forget to be awesome. Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul. Side A, side B. And I didn't do side B of this. I'm sorry. Side B. Oh, so you have a choice. You can do these or those. Wish I had two of them because I could use both of them then. Anyway, that is this month's kit. I also want to remind you that if you do not like any of these cards, they're great to mount pictures on, cut template shapes out of, use as photo corners, index cards. You can just use them for lots of different projects. But this one, daughters are like flowers. They fill the world with beauty. That's perfect sentiment for a card. Okay, so I am going to post this on my Facebook page. I'm going to post links to my Facebook page, links to my Kiwi Lane website, and I will update you in the future. Okay, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.